Good afternoon, welcome back to NomadCrib. My name is Ian, and today my camera's malfunctioning, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. So today we're gonna see a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Medellin in the neighborhood of Alejandria. This is just up from the Golden Mile, which is the shopping, banking, financial district. This apartment has 2 bedrooms, 1 office space. It has been rented out for the last 3 years on Airbnb. So if you're looking for an ROI income producing apartment, this is perfect. The owner has all the books, so he can show you everything. He sells his apartment every 3 years and moves on to other projects. So this apartment's renting out super well. Again, like I say, he's got all the books, so you can see the books. But this one is really well designed. Okay, as you can see here in the background, open plan kitchen, really nice living room here, and he's put aircon in this apartment. So let's go take a look at the rest of this apartment. Okay, we're gonna start with a view. Check out this beautiful view. And as I said, it's just up from the Golden Mile, so this is a great location. And as you can see, he's put in a little patio set furniture here so you can enjoy your coffee in the morning and take in the view from here. Let's move on to the living room. In the living room here, he's put in a really nice Sony receiver, as you can see right there. And in the wall, he's put in 3 front speakers. And as you can see, right here, he's put in 2 rear speakers right over top of the sofa, which is really nice. And then just over here, he's put in a wine bar. Okay, so you've got your little bar over there. And then he's actually even made space for a dining room table here. But one of the nicest features of this apartment is that he's made it so if you're a chef, you're going to enjoy this space. He's got 2 induction cooktops here, as you can see. Okay, with plenty of space. A nice oven here. I think it's a gas oven. And then in all his apartments, he does double door Samsung fridges. And a really nice General Electric dishwasher, which is a luxury here because not many people have dishwashers. So, and he's put in a very nice sink. And a espresso machine. He outfits these apartments really well. Traditional coffee machine there, blender, microwave, everything you may need. So yes, he would sell this apartment fully furnished the way it is. Okay, I'll put the price at the end screen. Right through here, he's done a really big bathroom. This bathroom services the whole apartment. As you can see, he's actually put the laundry in here. He's got a double stacking washer and dryer, Samsung washer and dryer. It's ample space in this washroom, as you can see. And then here he's put in a really big shower, complete with rain shower head, as you can see. So this apartment, it's been very hard to get in to do the filming because it's always booked. Again, because the area in Medellin, being near the financial district, this one is almost always rented out. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. As I said, this is a 2-bedroom, but it has an office space also, and another bathroom here. This is the social bathroom, I guess, for the living room. Let's take a look at the master. So in the master bedroom, he's put separate air conditioning in here and a king size bed. And in all the bedrooms, he has TVs, flat screen TVs. And here is the master bedroom bathroom with another large shower and rain shower. Off to the second bedroom. Big TV. This one is a queen bed. Plenty of closet space there too. And off to where the work gets done. Got a separate third bedroom that he's converted to an office with high-speed internet, obviously. Okay. Really well outfitted office here. Filing cabinets. The majority of his clients for this apartment have been nomads. But as I said, this apartment is perfect for someone who wants to retire to Medellin. Plenty of space, perfect for 2 people or for a bachelor. It's a great area too. But for me, one of the most important parts of this apartment here is its proximity. Here you're a 5-minute taxi ride to the entertainment district of Parque Lleras and Provenza. You're a 5-minute walk down the hill to the Golden Mile. Again, as I said, is the shopping district. In that area, you've got 2 major malls, Mall Oviedo and Mall Santa Fe, which are just to the left here. And just down from the hill here is San Fernando Plaza. And they've got plenty of restaurants there, furniture stores. They've got I believe it's a UPS there. So if you're having packages delivered from Canada, the US, Europe, wherever in the world, you've got a depot just down the hill there. So you've got everything in this area that you may need. And parakeets, beautiful parakeets inhabit these trees in front of the apartment. It's a really quiet area too, even though there's many apartment buildings around. This is a very quiet area. So let's take one last look at the apartment. If you have any questions about this apartment, just let us know. You can contact us at NomadCrib.com/contact, and you can quote Peter's 3-bedroom apartment. This is Ian from NomadCrib signing off. We'll see you in the next video.